मेरा एक बहुत ही खास दोस्त है जो टैटू बनवा रहा है। हम दोनों के टैटू एक जैसे हैं। आज का दिन बहुत बिजी है और शायद भी अपनी स्टाइलिंग भी आने वाला है। अब तक उसने कोई टैटू नहीं बनवाया है, देखते हैं कब तक नहीं बनवाता है। आज मजा आने वाला है क्योंकि मैं मिलने वाला हूँ अपने 3 क्रेजी फ्रेंड्स से। क्रेजीएस्ट डिजाइनर कुणाल रावल। और क्या हाल है स्टाइल माफिया? मस्त है, मेहरबानी।
हम खुद को स्टाइल माफिया कहते हैं। वो हेयर माफिया है और मैं क्लोथ्स माफिया। हम दोनों मिलकर स्टाइल माफिया बन गए।
और फोटोग्राफर रोहन श्रेष्ठ। आलिम मेरे स्टाइल गुरु हैं। जब मैं 12 साल का था तब से उनके पास जाता हूँ। और जो सबसे खास है वो है सुपर हीरो, सुपर कूल डूड, मिस्टर शाहिद कपूर। रोहन कहाँ है? रोहन है वहाँ पर? बुलाओ उसे।
Everybody wants something different from an actor. So every movie that you do, every photo shoot that you do, every event that you do, people want you to come looking different, trying something new, trying something fresh. I like doing photo shoots with people who I'm comfortable with who I can joke with, interact with, because eventually it's just you and the photographer and the clothes and larger scene. It's just that moment which needs to look great. And I think if you're comfortable with the people that you're working with, and if you have the right vibe and the right equation with them, then something really natural and nice comes out, which somewhere is a reflection of who all of you are put together. And I think that's very important.
तो आज क्या क्या चेंजेस हैं?
सबसे पहला शॉट हम आउटडोर में लेने वाले हैं, जहाँ सॉफ्ट लाइटिंग होगी और मुझे लगता है कि वहाँ पर क्लोथ्स
To let everybody know, they never take me through what I'm wearing, and they give me so much respect. This all is just happening because of Hashim and the fact that you're recording this. Usually I get no respect. I'm told to sit on that chair. Please stand in that white chair out there. That white chair, I'm told to sit on it and shut my mouth and just let the people who know their stuff do it and just go there and do my job as an actor. So let's get
ओके, तो फर्स्ट शॉट यानी कि आउटडोर के लिए ये क्लोथ्स हैं जो आप पर सूट करेंगे, जैसा कि आप यूजुअली पहनते हैं।
हेयर स्टाइल कैसा?
रोहन ने प्रॉमिस किया है कि वो कपड़े गंदे करने वाला है, तो मुझे उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। और हेयर स्टाइल मुझे लगता है कि नेचुरल फ्लॉपी रखना।
हाँ, इन्हें नेचुरल रहने देते हैं जैसे कि है।
हाँ, ऐसे ही छोड़ देते हैं। आई थिंक शायद यही ज़्यादा सूट करेगा।
या आई थिंक अभी ऐसे ही रहने देते हैं, बाद में दूसरा स्टाइल
He
करेंगे।
does this every 15 seconds. So he just randomly, when he gets bored, he just comes in. Hair has its own mind. So you need somebody who is an expert on hair. And yes, Alim is that person. And so this thing on top of my head is managed by him, and it makes my life a lot easier. I know this guy. I know this guy. When I was a struggling actor, and he was a struggling hairstylist. And his salon was in this place which was right behind a bus stop. So he became really famous because everybody says there's this one salon which is in 7 bungalows. There is always some 100 people standing. But actually that used to be the people standing for the bus stop. His salon was this big. Okay, it was this big. It was half the size of this. And there used to be sisters standing behind the counter. And there used to be this one, you still have that place. This one door which used to go into his house. First, the hair used to get cut, then he used to pay her, and she used to go quietly inside one place somewhere, and then he used to get a free cup of tea. That was his deal. So he's a people's person, he knows how to keep his people happy. So now what are we starting with?
Just starting with the outdoor look.
So should we get ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Get ready because I think you lose light away.
कुणाल ने बहुत ही कूल वनीला कलर पैंट्स और बढ़िया शर्ट चूज़ की है। पहला शॉट काफ़ी रिलैक्स्ड है, यहाँ तक कि हेयर स्टाइल भी आउट ऑफ बेड है और थोड़ा सा फ्लोई है। हेयर स्टाइल कैसा है? मुझे ये हेयर स्टाइल पसंद आया।
That's what happens with all alcoholics. They can't do without a glass in their hand.
हमने एक्सपेरिमेंट करना शुरू किया था और आज के शूट की सबसे अच्छी बात यही थी कि हम सब ने कुछ नया किया। रोहन ने बहुत ही अच्छी टेक्निक यूज़ की जो कि कैमरा के सामने एक ग्लास रखकर शॉट लिया और मेरे हिसाब से वो शॉट बहुत ही बढ़िया है। सनलाइट परफेक्ट थी और उस शॉट से शाहिद भी बहुत खुश था।
Should we try the other profile now? You can't keep worrying about how you're looking all the time. You just need to let the people who are doing their stuff do their stuff and feel good and go out there and represent yourself well. Because I think if you feel good about yourself, somehow the camera always sees that. Sometimes you're looking all perfect and all, but you just look like claustrophobic and so conscious and so worried about yourself and how you're turning out. And this profession can do that to you. So I think I've accommodated to the fact that I am who I am, and I'm going to be comfortable with who I am, and I'm going to make people like me for who I am rather than try and be somebody else to make people happy, which might never make them happy anyways. So I think that is more important. I think feeling comfortable with yourself is more important than trying to look good all the time. I think they're two very different things.
Malik doesn't like people wearing clothes when they get their hair. Actually, I'm not wearing anything. So.
It's so boring when people cut your hair.
You don't know what to do with yourself.
This